or welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to design a poultry backyard. If you're here subscribe to my channel, I'd like you to hit on that subscribe button and also like this video and also turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And please, I also like you to share this video. So let's ride on. So this is our Pixel Lab working space. The first thing I'll be doing here is to create a background for the design. So I will go to this background tool, click on the color tool. I want to choose a suitable flyer with suitable color for the background. So I'll choose a cream white color here. Cream white for the background. Okay, let's be something like this. Let me import the images. Okay, so this is the image of the file. I'll enlarge the image to cover a greater portion of the working space. Let me see. It's okay like this. Okay, now I want to create an effect. I want this image to be as if it is standing on an actual surface. Yeah, so I'll just put a shadow beneath the file. So I'll come to my shape tool, click on shape, click the circular shape. I will reduce the opacity, increase the stroke, and I reduce the size. What I'm trying to do is to create a blur image. So I'll come now to blur radius and increase the value. Click OK. So I'll just stretch, put it beneath. I want that surface to seem like an actual surface. Okay. Let me close this one. Okay. Let me just reduce the opacity a bit. Yeah. Okay, I think it's okay this way. So next, I want to create, a footer image or a footer background. So what I will do is I'll click on shape. I will take the color of that comb, the file's comb, that is here. Okay, so stretch and position it well. Let me send it behind. Okay, I'll take this background up a bit. Take another shape. Take this color, the cream white color, and I create a gradient. I want to create a gradient of this color. Gradient of this cream white color. So I think this is the color here. Look at something. Okay, I think I'll use this. So just enlarge and slant. Okay. Now let me just put it here. Okay. So from here now, I'll go to my stroke. I'll put a stroke here. The stroke size should be 4. Okay. Yeah. So I'll create smaller shapes so that I can insert a sample of the chicken there. Smaller shapes. I'll reduce the size of this. I will increase the radius to 5. Put here. Okay, so I'll just do some few copies and place here. Okay, so I want to put a frame, like, a frame around those shapes. So I will come back to my shape to increase the radius to 3, reduce the opacity to 0, put a stroke. Yes, put a stroke at 2, change the stroke color to this cream white. I will just place here. Okay, so I want to insert samples of the chickens here in those boxes. I will do what they call texture. I want to insert them in those shapes. I'll do what they call texture. So I will come here and I click the first shape. Yeah, so I go to my texture tool, click texture. Then now I insert the image of the image. So this is the first image I've picked. So I'll give it a square shape. If you look at this, if you look below, you see different shapes of different sizes. The first one is of the ratio 1:1, the other one is 16:9. So I'll click on this one is to 1. Click OK. So I'll just put that one. I will do same for the other ones. Same for the second one. I click the second shape. I go to texture, choose an image. So this is the image I've chosen. I will do same. I will choose this square shape here. 1:1. I want to crop it in such a way that the file will display. Okay, I click OK. Okay, that's good. So I'll do same for the other ones. Okay. Now I want to do something here. That frame, the frame that we attached there, I want to change the color of it to white. To red. Talking of this, so I'll come here to my edit tool here, and I change the color to red. Okay, let me see how it looks like. Okay, it's better this way. So what we are going to do now is to insert the name of a poultry. The name of the poultry is Top Farm Poultry. So I do the top first, and I will use this font, Lobster Master Bold. So if you don't have this font, you can go on Google and download. Just type Lobster Master Bold font download. You download and able to install. So when you're doing design, one thing you have to take note of is alignment. How to align your elements. So I will click on this grid tool here. and make sure that this top aligns well with the other images below. So just shift it to the left. Okay, make sure it is well aligned. Okay, so I will change the color now to red. Then I will space the letters. Top farm poultry. So the other one now will be farm poultry. Okay, yeah, so that one will remain black. Let me change the font. Let me take a different font here. I will take Montserrat, this one, Montserrat Semibold. I will take this font, Montserrat Semibold. I will do some place there. It is in such a way that it aligns with the T and the P, be within the T and that P of top. Okay, it's okay this way. So the name of that portrait also acts as my logo. So I want to close this element so that they will not be mobile. I'm sure you're gaining value. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, just hit the subscribe button, like this video also, and I would also like you to share this video, and don't forget to turn up your notification bell because it will enable you to get informed each time I upload a new video here. Let's continue. What next am I to do? I have to put in my services, the services render. So I'll go to my shape to click on shape and make sure it aligns well. Reduce it. Okay, so I'll just choose cream white color. Make sure I bring it down a bit and I reduce the shape. Okay, now we type services rendered. Go to my text tool, services offered. Okay, so let me choose a red color for this. Let me try red to see how we go. Okay, let me bold the text. So I'll make sure I position it well. It doesn't fit there, so I'll reduce the size. Let me try black and see. Okay, black is okay. Black is okay. Services rendered. So yeah, the services rendered. The first service rendered here is sales of files. Sales of files. So I'll just list the services rendered. Okay, so these are the services rendered by Top Farm Poultry. I will choose cream white color for that. Then the font type, I will change the font type to Montserrat Medium. This one, Montserrat Medium. So you can download this one to Google. So I'll reduce the size. Make sure it aligns well under services. Reduce the size again. And leave it at 18. Okay, so what's left next? Now let me put in my contact info. So I'll go to my shape tool again, bring in a shape, increase the radius to 3, make sure it aligns here well. Okay, so I'll leave it this way. Yeah, so I'll click this again. I want to do something here. I'll reduce the opacity to 0, increase the stroke width. 2. Change the stroke color. Change the stroke color to cream white. Okay, it's okay. So let me bring in the contact icons, my phone number and my WhatsApp number. So I'll just crop out my WhatsApp number and the WhatsApp icon and the color icon. Reduce to my desired size. Change the cut. So place them inside this box. Let me reduce again. Okay. Yeah, please you check out my description. My WhatsApp contact is there. Want any get to know. Also, we have an active WhatsApp group where we meet other professionals in graphic designing. The link is in the description. You can click there and join the group. If you also want to get access to my flyer proficiency design class, you can equally click the link in the group. It's not costly, it's affordable. Okay, so yeah, I'll just input my number. I have to take this from Montserrat Semibo. Okay, I think what's left again, I think you look at the back of this fowl, right? That chicken, at the back of that chicken, that space there is too plain, so I want to put an effect there. So I'll do a copy of this chicken. Yeah, send this one behind. Reduce the opacity. To 5. I'll also do a copy of it, send it here. I'll send it behind. Yeah, I think it's okay this way. So that shadow that we put Bennett, that image, that shadow is not there, it's not visible. Okay, yeah, so I think every beginner can start with this. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. I'll be doing an editing of this particular flyer on Lightroom. So if you don't have that app installed on your phone, go on Play Store and download Adobe Lightroom. In the description of this video, you find the link to the video that explains how this flyer was edited on Lightroom. So if you have not yet subscribe, please hit on the subscribe button. Also like this video, endeavor to share so that many people can get access to it, and don't forget to always hit the notification bell to get access to more videos. Thank you and see you in my other tutorial.